Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix cannot connect to my printer operation failed with error 0x702. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Search for printer spooler service guys. PRI printer spooler service. Double click on it. If the service status is stopped, you just want to start it. Startup time set to automatic and apply and OK. And after doing it, right click on it, and if it is already started, already running, you just need to select restart. And that's all you have to do it guys. Close out of here. Hopefully your problem will be resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.